Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to text to speech on TikTok. So let's go ahead and do that. First we have to go on our TikTok app. Here I am on my profile and then we will have to record our video. So go ahead and click on that plus icon and record your video. So I will do that. Yeah, it's okay. Let's click done. And after that you have to click on text. And here you have to write your text that you want to be said. So let's by that robot. So let's text something. This is just an example for you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can move this. Then tap on it and click on set duration. So I will set this only the first second. Done. Then click on text to speech, the first option.
Good morning.
Okay, then you can go ahead and click and add another text.
Good morning.
So after that, I will move this as well and click on the text and then click on set duration. And I will set this in the last second. Let's say here, I hope this will turn out well. Like I said, it doesn't really matter, it's okay. So let's click on it again and then click on text to speech. Then click next. And then you have to describe your video. And I will type text to speech, it doesn't really matter for me. And then click on post. And now I will click on my video and see if it turned out well.
Good morning. It's already getting dark. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, so that's all guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope you will give it a go. If you did, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.